is cloud computing? You have grand plans to streamline your company and increase sales dramatically. However, in order to do so, your ideas must act for businesses, and businesses have always too pricey, particularly in these circumstances. Behind each one is a complex universe. They require a complex data center with offices, power, cooling, connectivity, servers, and storage, a team of professionals, and a software stack to set them up, then run them. Development, testing, staging is required, environments for production, and failover, and good luck to you if there is a problem. When you contact technical assistance, then don't so they assign blame to someone else. Oh, and once new versions are released, but that might bring the upgrade, entire system is down now. This is only for one app. It's simple to understand why when you increase these assets by dozens or hundreds of apps, largest businesses with the top information technology department do not receive the application they need. Small companies have no chance. A better method of operation is cloud computing. Instead of managing your business yourself applications, they operate on a shared data center which you can access by just plugging in like a utility. It is less expensive and comparable to Gmail. Do you use Microsoft Exchange with Gmail? Do you require servers and storage? A technical team to maintain it running? Do you need to perform any upgrades? Any applications you use that is based in the cloud? Simply sign in, personalize it, and begin applying it. That is cloud computing strength. This approach is so superior that it is altering the way we view software, not only for consumer apps, but we refers to the use of business apps as these businesses use of cloud computing. Businesses use a variety of apps these days, including custom on the cloud creating apps. Why? Because you can start using it right away, although that is unheard of with technical company software, and because it is less expensive as a result of not having to pay for all the individual things and resources running them. They reveal themselves to be more scalable, more dependable, and more secure than the vast majority of available apps. Why is this? They are based on a style of architecture, a multi-tenant app for multiple tenancies. The app is not available on each device. Using it in a business, everyone uses the same software, but it is flexible enough for everyone to make adjustments to suit their individual needs. It resembles a massive office complex where everyone uses the same facilities and security services, but every businesses may alter their own office's environment. This means that apps are flexible and may tens of thousands of users at full scale or to just a handful. The upgrades are handled for you. The security and performance for your apps, improvements and new capabilities automatically. Currently, there are new changes to how cloud apps are paid for. When your apps are running, forget about purchasing servers and software. You cannot purchase anything on the cloud. Everything is folded into a monthly payment that is predictable for you. Pay just what you really use. Finally, cloud applications don't consume too much of your precious resources so that your CFO will adore it and can concentrate on projects that seriously affects the business, such as putting out more apps. Cloud computing is a straightforward concept, but it can significantly affect your bottom line. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more amazing videos about cloud computing.